In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. Then access background apps. Following that, you need to decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it available at the top. Then select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!